What's going on, everybody? My name is Edwin and this is Cars with my kid. My kid ain't here right now because she'd rather be with mommy getting AC and stuff, watching movies. But anyways, I haven't been posting up in a while because nothing really going on. Since everything's closed, can't do anything, don't go anywhere. But we got, oh yeah, I could say I did get a flat tire. That kind of sucked because I was at work. And then the radiator cap blew off because I guess it just gave out. And then the car was overheating. And then I got my hands on a cold air intake, but it's for a Honda Civic. So that should be interesting. Give that V8 a little more power. Not much, but hopefully something. And then I did order the cutoff exhaust with the little clicker thing to open and close the valves. So that'll probably be the next video. And I'll try to keep posting at least once a week. That's what I'm gonna try to do, like, no joke. I've been getting lazy too. Too much fast food, burgers, fries, and pizza, and wings. I just had wings too, they're so good. But yeah, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's see if that thing fits. So we got this one from eBay, and see if it fits on to replace the stock one. Just has a bolt over there for the clamp, another clamp here, and the two nuts right there in there. And we tried it before with a couple buddies, and well, you'll see. So it doesn't look too bad. From the top up there all the way down here. Still gotta put the map sensor, which is right over here, right there. So we'll take that out right now. So right now I put it on there, and I don't know if you can see that right there. It says the flow, because it goes from in to go that way. The holes don't really line up with the holes on there. See? So I could probably get that one, but it's gonna leave like a little gap. We'll try it though. So since it doesn't line up like that, I looked at it by turning it around. The holes do line up, but the flow is going the other way. So what if I take this and flip it? That might just work. Let's try it out. Alright, so it was like this, and I was gonna turn it around just so the flow of the sensor could be good. But where's the other piece? Oh, there it is. This was on the end to go onto the where the filter would be. So I tried putting it over here, but it's too small. So I looked at the other piece. It fits in there, but not the angles, and it doesn't have anywhere for the sensor because it's on the other one. So I think I'm just gonna go back to how it was before and just tape it on or something. Yeah, we'll try that. So technically it's on. It's tight here, tight here. This is tight on there with some zip ties. And we're tied up there, so all I need is the plug in the sensor and the hose from here to, where is it? There it is, this one, and we're good. So the sensor's on, the hose is on. It's just temporary. It's on there because this is just from the, what's it? Engine cover, whatever, cap, valve. I don't even know what the hell it's called. But here's just air, really. There's nothing in there. So we'll try it. Alright, so moment of truth. Let's turn it on. See what happens. See if we can see it better. Well, that sucks. Let's try that again. Let's see the RPMs too. Let's see if you can see it right there. Nope. That little light right there, that one sucks. See what else I can do to it. So I just double checked everything. It looks okay. This is good down there. This is good over here. It's connected. Might have too much air, so I'm gonna try this real quick, just to cover it. See if that helps. Maybe. We'll see. Where's the keys? Let's try it again. Damn it, let me switch hands. Alright. I'm not even stepping on it. Here, let me step on it. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna turn it off. Yeah, I guess that's not gonna work. Back to stock it is. Alright, so I took it off. It wasn't too bad. Just got the clamps up there, and that was it with the sensor and the hose. So here's the same thing, just a clamp. Connected the hose. The other clamp. The sensors, there's 2 bolts there, there's one right in there, you can kind of see it right there. And since I got a check engine light, I'm gonna try to get rid of that right now. Let's see, let's just start it up, see if it turns on. I think it will though. We'll try it. Yeah, it still has a check engine light, but it's fine though. You know why? Because we got this little app right there. It's called Zeus. You can zoom in. Damn it. Stupid thing. Oh yeah, I got a radio by the way. Finally got it installed. Thanks to Tony and the crew over there. I'll put a link in the description so you can follow them on Instagram and stuff. But yeah, that looks nice too though, right? Ooh, fancy. Still one of the speakers in the back doesn't work, but it's fine. Now I can actually listen to something. It feels weird listening to music from both doors in the front. But yeah, like I said, that little app right there, Zeus. And that's what happened last time. So we're just gonna go, where is it? Safety, and then a rescan. And this app is free, by the way. Comes with a little OBD2 scanner. And download the app, and that's literally it. It scans everything for you. See, it says internal control module, torque calculation, performance. Just wait till it's done. Almost done. And yeah, it's all done. So we click on that, and it tells you the possible causes too. It says faulty throttle valve control, faulty mass airflow sensor, because they're messing with it, that's probably why. Formatter around airflow sensors. It's probably just dirty, forgot to wipe it. But it's fine though. And then right here we can just clear codes. Wait, you can kind of see the check engine light over there. Put clear. It's gone, just like that. Yeah, so we're good. Yeah, that's it. But now I know I could check with this, so this comes in handy a lot. So we're good on that. No check engine lights at all. We probably could use some gas. Well, not really. We're alright, but yeah, we're good. Let's rev it a little bit. Not too much. Well, there goes quarter tank again. So what did we learn? Don't put Honda stuff on the Crown Vic. Literally, it's from eBay too. We got it from a friend of mine at work. And I'm not gonna say no for like 40 bucks, all the tubing and stuff. We did make it work, like to connect it, but it just doesn't work. I think it was something to do with this little beauty right here. Anyways, oh well. On to the next edition, or what do you call it, mod, which will be the exhaust. So don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next one.